Welcome back to the Let's Go Adventure Boys.
Tomorrow, where are we going?
We're going to the creek.
Going canoeing, Little River Creek. See y'all there. Good morning from the Let's Get Adventure Boys. Today,
we're at the creek canoeing.
At the creek canoeing. Got the canoe all loaded down. Jeremiah's ready. And we're gonna go that way. 8.6 miles to the next community. What's the plan today?
To fish and have fun.
Fish and have fun. That's right. Y'all come go with us. You say it's chilly? We hadn't got out of sight of the bridge. I'm gonna stop and do a little fishing in these dark holes.
So we've already been 2 miles and there's been a lot of obstacles down there.
Yeah.
And we started to take a break and do a little fishing. And we've been like 2 miles down.
What have the obstacles been so far?
Stone, like rocks and sandbars and trees in the water.
Yep, trees in the water. Had a lot of really fast navigation this morning, hadn't we? We praying for an unflipped canoe today. Jeremiah's got his fishing pole. We're gonna stop right here. Really nice place to fish. What do you think, Bo?
Oh yeah.
Oh
yeah.
Got a spotted bass. Get him by the lip.
Let's go. Spotted bass. That's a keeper. Yeah.
Let me see that thing. Wow, that's a pretty one in the creek.
Oh yeah.
Look at that trophy Jeremiah done caught. Whoa. Man, what a fish.
Oh yeah. Wait, he was just right next to us.
Got him off the bed.
Oh yeah, right there too.
Good. Hold him and let me see all his color. Lord have mercy. What do you think about that?
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Looks like somebody done painted him.
We gonna keep him or throw him back?
Keep him.
Yeah, man. What you got there?
I got another spotted bass.
Another spotted bass. Catch or keep?
Keep.
Keep.
Everyone I catch, I'm keeping. That's cool.
Perfect. Finally got us a little section of calm water. Looking for a place to
Shade.
big old bed over there. Keep paddling down, son. Left. There you go.
Want this sandbar right here?
No, I want to keep on going. While we got good paddling, I want to go a little further. Looks to be some sort of home settlement or something. They got doing a lot of clearing off that bank. Beautiful. How's it been so far?
Really good.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
We had some struggle.
We had a lot of struggle.
Yeah. Had to do a lot of obstacling, didn't we?
Yeah, yes,
Had to get out and walk around a bunch of dead snags.
Oh, yeah.
There is a little camp up there. Nice little camp. Had to do a lot of walking around dead snags and drift piles. And we've got into a stretch now that's for the last mile and a half, I guess. If I had to guess, we're somewhere probably about halfway down. I told Jeremiah we just float during the good time and paddle hard during the hard time. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
How many fish you got so far?
5
Good ones or bad ones?
good ones.
Oh, okay. All right, well look. Having to walk it through some bad places. Me and Jeremiah not taking any chances today. Hot?
It's warm.
I don't want no part of it. I don't want no part of it. I ain't sitting in it. I don't want warm water. Oh, chicken wrap. And there's chicken wrap number 2. Found us a little shade. Beautiful place. Whole day, just gonna sit here and chill for a while. Talk about some cold water. Been a good day. Been a lot of obstacles. We're gonna hang out right here for a little bit. We'll, I think we got a little pulling up ahead. Looks like some jams up there. A little pulling, and then we ought to have some more good water for a while.
Feels great. I'm trying to get over there without having to stand
Having
up.
to navigate.
You want me to show them the mess?
Yep. had a good lunch. Fixing to have some more of that good lunch, ain't we? Caught some nice fish. Well, Jeremiah did. I didn't catch nothing.
And I caught 2 small fish and a really pretty fish.
Yeah, pumpkin seed.
How does it feel?
Delicious. You made it.
We made it.
Bye.
Can I take shorts out?
No.
What's it look like under the light?
I'm closing my eyes. All right.
Looks
Let's see.
dirty.
That's the end of our adventure, isn't it?
Oh yeah. But I'm still gonna have fun swimming while we wait for Mom.
Yep, gotta wait for Mom to come pick us up this afternoon. Have no idea what time it is. It's afternoon anyway, probably 2 or 3 o'clock. I want to thank y'all for watching. Appreciate everything. Until next time, if you can't be good,
Be careful.
be careful. Just a little added portion of an adventure. Bridge is right down there. Jeremiah, where are you going?
This way.
Let's go. Got no cell service down at the bridge, so we're gonna walk up to this church and get somebody to call Heidi for us. Here's our ride. You can't beat a good woman. That's my girl. She done come to get me.
You are sweaty and wet.
Ooh.